Is Coinbase safe? Coinbase, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, manages around 108 million verified users and stores 98% of its crypto assets offline or in cold storage, where they're isolated from online networks to reduce hacking risks. However, Coinbase has also encountered high-profile security issues over the years, with reports showing over 100 million accounts compromised globally in the past decade. This duality brings both assurance and caution to users evaluating its safety. Coinbase employs advanced security practices, including multi-factor authentication, AES, 256 encryption, and optional address whitelisting, a security step allowing only approved addresses for asset transfers. In the U.S., it provides FDIC insurance for USD balances up to $250,000, which covers USD holdings but not cryptocurrency assets. A major drawback is that Coinbase users lack control over private keys on the main exchange platform, which deters those who prioritize a fully decentralized and autonomous approach. Additionally, Coinbase employs a bug bounty program to detect and fix potential vulnerabilities, reinforcing its security infrastructure. In terms of accessibility, Coinbase stands out for its user-friendly interface and extensive educational resources aimed at beginners, along with a wide selection of supported cryptocurrencies. However, its fee structure is among the highest in the industry. Standard transaction fees can reach 0.6% on lower volumes, significantly higher than other exchanges. Coinbase Pro, now Advanced Trade, offers reduced fees but remains less competitive than alternatives like Binance or Crypto.com, which implement a maker-taker fee model that often results in lower costs for high-volume traders. Regulatory scrutiny poses another concern for Coinbase's long-term viability in the U.S. Recently, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, investigated Coinbase over allegations of potentially offering unregistered securities. Though Coinbase denies any wrongdoing, this regulatory pressure adds uncertainty for users regarding future restrictions or potential changes to the platform's offerings. Additionally, Coinbase's support for crypto staking, where users earn rewards by holding certain assets, is limited and highly jurisdiction-dependent, which has caused frustration among users looking to maximize earning potential from their holdings. User reviews reveal mixed experiences with Coinbase. While many praise its intuitive design and reliable customer service, others have reported issues with slow transaction speeds, higher than average fees, and difficulties in recovering lost assets after hacks. The platform's App Store rating of 4.7 on iOS indicates general user satisfaction, though support issues are a recurring concern. On the positive side, Coinbase also provides options for high-net-worth clients, including a crypto IRA in partnership with Alto, which allows tax-advantaged crypto investments in retirement accounts, an appealing feature for long-term investors. In summary, Coinbase is a generally secure and accessible platform that implements rigorous industry-standard security protocols. It is particularly suited to beginners and moderate investors who value ease of use and are willing to accept a higher fee structure. Advanced investors, or those prioritizing low fees, greater staking options, and full control over their private keys may find better alternatives. While Coinbase remains one of the most trusted names in the cryptocurrency industry, regulatory challenges and cost concerns should be carefully considered by prospective users.